Good morning, good morning. This is Venus with No Mess. How's everyone doing today? Today's Wednesday. Welcome to my channel, guys. Welcome to my channel. If you like this content, don't forget to hit the like button. This is one of the saddest thing I heard. Father of 9 was killed after a road rage fight. Now he done left back here 9 kids. And he is a grandfather also. When I said people need self-control, they need self-control. Now the other gentlemen or whoever it was are going to have to spend some time in jail. I'm going to let y'all listen to this. And then I'm going to chat. I'm not going to be too long-winded because I want to give respect to the wife. She's devastated right now. Give respect to the family. But one thing I can say, people need to understand that emotion, feelings can lead to lack of control sometimes, which leads to the need to restore control and order, which can lead to the law. So people control your action before someone else does. Okay? We're going to watch this video for 1 second.
Of 9 from Tracy is dead after an alleged road rage crash led to a fight in Alameda County. And tonight, the family of Jason Elola says they're heartbroken.
This is just a horrible tragedy. I don't think we could ever heal from. I don't think my daughters are going to be ever okay. I'm never going to be okay. Our family is never going to be okay again.
Thank you for joining us tonight at 10. I'm Andrea Flores.
I'm Galston Dart. Now, this all started Saturday night in Castro Valley. That's 37 miles west of Tracy, where the father of 9 lived. KCRA 3's Peyton Headley is in our newsroom tonight. So, Peyton, what does the family say happened here?
Yeah, well, his wife says they were in the car with 2 of their young daughters when a driver cut them off near Interstate 580 off-ramp in Castro Valley. She says that driver then started ramming into them. So Jason got out to talk to the other driver. Right now, it's unclear what happened next, but the family says Jason was assaulted, suffered a head injury, and died. Jason was a father of 9 and a grandfather to 4, his youngest daughter only 5 months old. His family says he ran a pumpkin patch, a Christmas tree lot, a food truck lot, and was a dedicated father.
The only thing that is clear is that my husband was protecting us and that we were scared and that this person, he didn't have to take my husband.
He was not a shy person when it came to us. He wanted everyone to know that he was a proud dad, that he had a big family, and that he was a family man.
The family says their loss should be a reminder to everyone to stay calm on the road. Meanwhile, they're urging any witnesses that saw what happened to come forward. Golston.
So, Peyton, I mean, what do we know right now about the other driver involved in this incident?
Yeah, well, the other driver initially left the scene, but later came back. He was arrested on suspicion of murder, but Alameda County prosecutors are now
Flowers and candles along Wilbeam Avenue in Castro Valley mark where Jason Elola was attacked following an alleged road rage incident. He later died in the hospital.
He was a good man. He didn't deserve this. He was taken. He was stolen from us. So that's what justice looks like from us, is people coming forward and just find it in your heart to be honest. And that's all we could ask.
Gabrielle Elola was in the car with her husband on Saturday night. Just after 7:30 p.m., CHP responded to a car crash that may have started as a road rage incident and ended in a fight. ABC 7 News was on scene when the suspect told officers about what happened.
I cut him off accidentally, and then he just got on all the way through here to right here. And he jumps in front of me, that's when we collide. Raises his hands, and I get him up there. As soon as he attacks me, beating him up, he hits his.
The sheriff's office says the driver left the scene after the fight, but then contacted CHP to report his involvement and returned to the scene. He was subsequently booked into custody. Investigators believe witnesses took video of the incident and hope some will come forward.
He was just protecting his family. You know, he was just protecting his daughters and me. And, you know, I think anybody can understand that, and anybody would do that for their family. And that's what he did.
Jason's eldest son, Angel, spoke at his father's vigil on Monday. He says he got a door knock from police who told him about the accident. The family wants justice for their father.
Just for the justice of our father. You know, there's 9 kids and 4 grandkids, and not only does he deserve justice, but for our sakes as well, we deserve justice.
The family says the suspect will be in court on Thursday.
Well, he was the father of 9 children, and now his family is in shock after he was killed in a road rage confrontation in Castro Valley. As KTVU crime reporter Henry Lee explains, a suspect is in custody, but the family and investigators are still looking for witnesses.
This is just a horrible tragedy. I don't think we could ever heal from. I don't think my daughters are going to be ever okay. I'm never going to be okay. Our family is never going to be okay again.
Gabriela Elola is heartbroken over the death of her husband, 49-year-old Jason Elola, as a result of what authorities say was a road rage confrontation in Castro Valley. He leaves behind 9 children, including the youngest, his 5-month-old daughter, and 4 grandchildren.
He's everything to us. He's everything to so many people. And he didn't deserve this.
It happened at about 7:30 Saturday night near Norbridge and Wilbeam Avenues outside the Castro Valley BART station, where this memorial of candles and flowers now sits. Gabrielle says she, her husband, and 2 daughters were in their Subaru when they were cut off by the driver of a full-size SUV near a 580 off-ramp. She says that driver then rammed them from behind, and that led Jason to get out of the car to talk to the other driver. It's unclear what happened next, but the family believes Jason was assaulted, suffered a head injury, and died.
The only thing that is clear is that my husband was protecting us and that we were scared, and that this person, he didn't have to take my husband.
The other driver initially left the scene, but returned at the request of the CHP. The case was transferred to the Alameda County Sheriff's Office. I've learned deputies arrested 37-year-old Martin Davis Jr. on suspicion of murder. Joseph Munoz, a cousin of the victim, is urging anyone who saw what happened to contact the sheriff's office.
It's important that anybody with any information comes forward. Right now, we're looking for witnesses.
The family struggling to make sense of the loss of a man who ran a pumpkin patch, a Christmas tree lot, and food truck lot, and was a dedicated father.
He was not a shy person when it came to us. He wanted everyone to know that he was a proud dad, that he had a big family, and that he was a family man.
One minute I'm good.
Okay, guys, I'm back. This is really sad. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. So, I guess I have to call this crook from the stupid department. If you ran in the back of someone and they got out to see what was going on and try to talk to you, that should have been it. That should have been it. That should have stopped right there. You did not have to get upset with someone because they got out of that vehicle, because you the one ran in back of that person. So the gentleman that unalived this gentleman need to be put in jail. I do not care. Okay? It doesn't matter. He done took a life. He need to go to prison. You in your 30s. When are you going to wake up? So my heart goes out to this family. My condolences go out to this family. We don't have to pray for this family. This is all I have on this article today. We just have to pray for them because I know they're hurting. I know they're hurting. And to have a baby, a young baby like that, well, they have 9 kids, but the youngest one is really young. There are other young ones too. So guys, what do y'all think about this road rage? It's getting out of control now. Leave me a comment and I'll reply back to y'all guys. This is all I know about this case right here, this article. And we're just gonna have to wait until the gentleman goes to court. I don't know when his next court day. I haven't heard anything yet. But this is sad. Hold on a second. Let me check and see if I can find a court day. Thank you for waiting. No, I don't see a court date. Only thing I see is 37-year-old David, the one that unalived this father of 9. I just see his information, but I don't see anything about when the court. It just said 37-year-old Martin David Jr. had turned himself in. I don't see when he's going to be arraigned or when he's going to go to court. But as soon as I get that information, guys, I will let you know. But just keep this family in our prayer, because that's a large family. And I just pray and hope her sons and daughter will pull together and help this mother, because she's like a new mother. I mean, she's not new because she have other kids, but she just ain't too long gave birth. That's the sad part. I just hope this family can heal and pull together and be together for one another. Because it's rough out here. It's rough out here having 2 or 3 kids, but more having over 4. Because I think a couple of them is grown, but she do have some young ones too. And they had set up a GoFundMe page to cover the expense to help. So the GoFundMe page says support Jason. And Jason's last name is Elola. So guys, if you have it in your heart or you have the means, please go ahead and try to support this family. They really need your help. Okay. This is all I have for this article. Just keep that family in our prayer. So thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, I want to say please have self-control, use common sense, and please have patience. That's important also. Until next time, peace out.